Well, good Sunday to you. Y'all know who it is. It's me. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Lord of mercy, I hope everybody is having a wonderful weekend. As for Dan over here at the home in the sticks, I'm going to tell you, we had two pretty nice sized storms roll in. Saturday night, and today's Sunday, and it is still just nasty, gloomy. It has been raining for the last 2 days. This is just to show you, we got probably close to 4 inches of rain. Yeah, you heard me. 4 inches of rain overnight. Needless to say, all outside activities have been canceled. Badminton, croquet, things of that nature. I had to cancel it due to the weather. Give me a second. We're gonna get up in this shop and I'm gonna show you what I've been playing around with. So give me a second. All right, y'all. Here's that Renogy 30-watt panel that I got as a kit. And what I done did went and made a frame for this panel. Just a simple frame for it. And on the back, I went ahead and repurposed satellite thing. This is what the dish was actually hooked up to. Just an old satellite pole, and it's got the elevation and several other adjustments. I don't know what they do, but I just went ahead and made me just a frame to house this panel. Anybody that's followed my channel knows that I like to use reclaimed stuff. I probably could have went and got some like Unistrut or Super Strut or Turkey Strut, some kind of strut, the metal stuff, to build a frame for this guy. But I was like, you know what? I got all this reclaimed wood. I'm just gonna build it out of wood. Is it gonna work? I think it will. Looks like it will. All I have here is just some pieces of some pressure treated fence board that I had on hand, and I just cut them into little small pieces, and I'm just going to put them kind of like that on the corners just to make sure that the panel does not move forward. I don't think it will, because it's going to be pretty much tilted back, but I'll get you off that big tripod, show you what it looks like once I get these guys tacked in. All right, got those bracings on. Let me show you. Here we go. Just some simple cross bracings just to hold this panel in, and I don't know how well it's going to come out, but I made sure I put these braces towards the corners, or on the corners, to where they're not blocking any of the solar panel. There it is. So it ain't going anywhere. It's kind of wanted it to move in there kind of freely, because as this wood expands and contracts, I don't want it to just tighten up around the solar panel. And here is a shot of the back of it. And what we also want to do is we want to make sure that the back of this panel gets some air, which it is certainly going to do. If that panel heats up, the heat has a way to escape. That's my thinking on it. Project Light the Feed Shed is underway. Hey Dan, what's that thing made out of? I'm gonna show you. This is basically 2x2s, but they're not actually 2x2s. They're 1.5 by 1.5, all reclaimed wood. That's what this is. And like I said previously, this is some fence board that I had laying around, just cut it into strips. I pre-drilled all my holes, pre-drilled everything, just so I didn't split this wood, and you got to be real easy with it. I use that because it's going to be out in the weather, and I don't know, I think it'll last. These are 2-inch starhead screws, all-weather screws that I used. I just had them on hand. These guys right here are just some pressure-treated 2x4s that I had laying around, and that's what I used, because I'm all about using reclaimed stuff. Would it have been easier using the Unistrut or Super Strut or whatever it's called? Yeah, probably so. But I don't know, I didn't want to buy it. I just wanted to use whatever I had on hand. And there it is. I think it's going to work. So there you have it, y'all. There's do-it-yourself, using what you got, solar panel rack. to house a 30-watt Renogy panel that we're going to use in the feed shack. So I wanted to show y'all what I've been working on. I wish I could have got outside and shot some video, but it was just ridiculously rainy, bad weather. I mean, just showing enough bad weather. Have some stuff ordered, waiting on it to come in, and once it comes in, you know, I'm going to share what I got and show you what it is and what we're going to use it for. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. The thumbs up really helped me. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, y'all need to come on over here and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff, really. And with that being said, you know it's coming. I'm always going to say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean, nobody. Especially when you're trying to make a solar panel rack thing so you could light your feed shed. And we'll see you and y'all in the next video.